These last days I have two things that as a father I want to share with you. First, five things that should be done to educate your children. 1. You should be educated by example. 2. There should be more communication. 3. Should be punished when children do something. 4. Moral values should be included in children. 5. Children should be taught humility and empathy. Secondly, 5 things you shouldn't do with your children. 1. You shouldn't give them everything without earning it. 2. You shouldn't say crush. 3. You shouldn't drink more alcohol or smoke. 4. It shouldn't inculcate violence of any kind. 5. They shouldn't be hit, only punished firmly. The above will help society to improve. Thank you, Maestra.